guys, I'm here, and today we are going to do some trading fidget toys. I have a bunch of things. All of these things that are on this table are all mine, but we're just playing. And you might have noticed that I did my makeup. My last video I did today, I did a makeup tutorial, so you might want to go and check that out. And let's get into the video. Okay? Gotta point it down. So, yellow slime going once, going twice.
Oh, I'll go for it.
What's your trade?
Well, it's kind of broken on the top, so I think I'm just gonna trade 4 scrunchies.
I already have enough scrunchies, so no.
What about this little bottle?
No, that's way too little. Maybe add a couple more things onto this.
How about this putty?
Okay, you have a deal.
It's kind of broken, but that's okay. The slime's still good.
So is this. This little cork is broken. Hey! There's nothing even inside of this.
Sorry.
Well, now I have a container.
I didn't know.
Inside of.
Okay.
Now, you will start the next trade.
All right, the next trade is going to be...
No, you just say what it is and going once, going twice. This, going one, going twice.
1 donut slime going once.
Me.
Okay. What are you going to give me for it?
I'll trade my mochi, my pink narwhal mochi. Gotta get it out. Actually, no, I think I'm gonna trade my fidget cube and my teal slime. And it has a little toy. It has a little toy at the bottom.
Okay, that's a really good deal. I'll take it.
Yay!
Okay, go.
Clear slime. Going once, going twice.
Is it empty like what I did to you? Okay, I'll go. I'll bid on it.
Okay. What do you have to trade? What do you have to offer?
I'll offer you this slime that's kind of separated. It's really cool. And to match it, 2 purple scrunchies.
You have a deal.
Thank you. All right, I would like to put up for trade this Newton's Cradle. And it lights up. Let me light it up for you so you can see. Going once.
Me.
Okay, what are you going to give me for it? It's going to have to be big because this is like one of my favorite toys.
I'll give you my fidget toy, my pedal popper. I like to call it that because there's little poppers at the bottom, and I like to pedal on it.
All right.
I don't really know what that is. And it's a little tiara, too. And I will also trade my mochi. My pink narwhal mochi.
Whoa. That's a good deal.
And just to make it a good one, I'll give you
Okay, now you got a deal.
Yay! Gotta turn the lights off so it
Look at this guy. Bloop, bloop. Mr. Narwhal. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Okay, I have a trade.
Okay, what is it?
Let me open it. Gold, purple, glittery slime. Going once, going twice.
Okay.
3 times.
Yeah. Let me bid on it.
What do you have to trade?
All of it or just the piece he pulled out?
All of it.
Okay.
What do you have to trade?
How about I'll give you this donut slime and my
Your mochi.
my octopus mochi.
What else? You have to add a couple more things.
And how about this slime? And all these scrunchies.
That's way too many scrunchies. Maybe you could take a couple away and give me something else.
All right, 3 scrunchies. And another slime.
A different color. Actually, yeah, a different color. different one.
I don't have any other colors. Pink. You didn't want that color?
Yeah, that's what's
Oh.
there.
You want this donut too?
No.
That's a hard bargain. That's a lot of stuff for one slime.
Take away the donuts and give me one other thing.
How about this?
Okay, you have a deal.
All right. Oh, she's a hard bargain.
Did you also give me this?
Yep.
Oh, I have a new mochi. I love this. It's so cute.
All right, one more.
No, a couple more, because we have a really sprinkly donut slime. Going once, going twice.
Yes,
going
let me
three
bid on
times.
it. Let me bid on
Okay.
it.
You don't say bid on it. You say
Let me.
me, or something like that.
Oh.
What do you trade?
How about
Fidget cube? The fidget cube?
this awesome fidget cube?
Yes. What other thing? Two other things.
And my Norwal mochi.
One more.
A pink slime.
I have. Okay. Yep. One more thing.
One more thing. How about
No scrunchie.
no scrunchies? How about a yellow slime?
I have enough slimes.
How about this? What'd you call it?
Petal popper.
Petal popper.
You have a deal.
Oh, she wanted the petal popper. All right, at least I got three
have
of my
two-
donuts.
And I have two skippies.
All right, I really don't like these donuts. I'm gonna
You have to trade
try to
one.
trade them.
You have to trade one of them at a time.
I can't trade all three?
No. I would have
Okay,
to trade
rainbow.
everything if you traded all.
Rainbow.
I'll...
Going once? Going twice?
Me.
Okay.
I'll trade some scrunchies. No, my pink slime. This.
Which we now know is empty.
And this.
Ooh, you got yourself a deal. I like this slime. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yay. Okay, now it's my turn to put something out. Right?
Mm-hmm.
All my scrunchies going once, going twice, going three times.
All right, okay. I want them.
What are you gonna offer?
The cube.
Cute? Yes, I will take it.
Is that all you want?
No.
Hmm.
Gotta give me
A slime.
one more.
These for making slime with.
I think I'm gonna leave them the way they are. It's really satisfying.
The crunch is quite satisfying.
You have a deal.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, I got all the scrunchies now. Look at that pile of scrunchies. Oh, yeah. All right, my turn?
Yep.
I'm going to offer this because I know you love it and you might want it back.
No.
No? Okay. I'm putting my chocolate donut slime on the table for trade.
Oh, me.
Going once?
Me.
All right, okay, she really wanted that one.
My blue sparkly octopus mochi. My glittery slime. It's a little separated though. Maybe
And the crown?
Maybe my satisfying noisemaker thingamajig.
All right, I'll take that trade.
How many more things do you want?
No, that's all I want. I really only wanted this guy anyway.
Okay.
Hello.
My fidget cube going once, going twice.
We
going
want
three
it.
times.
We want it. We want
Okay.
it.
What will you offer to trade?
Not this guy.
I already have the pink narwhal, so I don't really want him.
Okay, how about
He is so cute.
this slime, and this slime, and this empty container?
I'll take the empty container. You have a deal.
All right. Okay. That's all for today. What do you
No,
have to
it's
say?
not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. A couple more trades.
Okay. She really, really wanted this. No, she wanted this back. So she's going to have to make it going once.
Me.
All right.
I'll trade my satisfying Newton's cradle that
She's going
back
big.
and
She really
forth.
wants it.
This little thing you can put like glitter or something in. And my fidget cube.
All right, okay.
And this yellow slime.
All right, I'll take the slime. You have yourself a deal. That wasn't easy. Bye-bye, octopus.
I definitely should put him in here with my narwhal.
Oh, he's going in the tub.
Okay.
Okay, last bid. Let's make it a good one.
My cruncher, my satisfying slime. Let's trade everything.
She got all 4 donuts over there.
I'll trade my narwhal, mochi. I'll trade and these.
All that stuff?
And this. You know
What are you doing? Are you packing up and leaving? Or are you making the world's biggest trade ever?
This is of most of my satisfyings going once, going
Okay,
twice.
yes. I want to bid on it.
I'm taking one thing out. It's my narwhal. Going once. Going twice.
Yes. I'll still
Okay.
bid on it, even though you took that out. All right, I'm going
Favorite mochi.
to give you the Newton's Cradle.
Okay. What else?
I'm going to give you the cube.
No, I don't really want the cube.
I'll give you the fidget cube.
Okay.
I'll give you both of these slimes, and this slime, and this slime, and the noisemaker, and the little bottle, and a handful of scrunchies. That's pretty much all I got.
There needs to be more, because I have an entire bin full.
Alright, you can have all my scrunchies, and my other slime, and the cube. That's literally my whole pile of stuff.
And just because you want it so much, I'll give you both of my mochis.
That is a deal. Deal of the century. Oh, she's taking her winnings. Alright.
Okay, one more trade for the both of us. Okay. So, are you gonna give me a trade?
Oh, it's my turn?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna give you only 3 donuts and nori.
The mochi, that pink mochi.
Going once.
Me. I have a really, really good trade. I'll trade you my favorite clear liquid glass slime and this dog. I'm kidding. I'm not trading you my dog. I'll trade you this. Noisemaker. Do I want to trade this? No.
You putting him on the table? No. She would never trade you. All right, I'll take that. I'll take the pup too. He's all mine.
Okay, I don't want to hurt him.
No.
Come on.
All right, set him down. Nope, set him down. Oh. All right.
Yay! That's
Say
awesome.
goodbye.
One more, so I can give one now.
All right.
Because I have an awesome one.
Okay.
My noodle maker. My noise popper. Very satisfying. Oh, I don't think the dog wants you anymore, so I'll trade you something for free. One thing for free, because the dog came back to me. I'll trade you my...
Sure, flights anywhere is fine. It's all knotted up now. I don't want it.
It's still good.
Oh. Did one of the... Oh, I thought one of the balls fell off.
Don't worry. I can fix it up easily. I'll trade you that. For free. That's for free. Because the dog came back to me.
Oh, I get this for free to untwist again? Okay, cool. I'll take it. I can't wait. I love untwisting that thing.
Okay.
It's like such a challenge. When it's done, it's like the biggest gratification.
2 slimes, 1 silver, 1 gold.
I want them. I want them. I want them.
Okay. What do you have to offer?
I will give you this slime, this slime, this slime, this slime, and this slime. Slime for slime trade.
And just because you want these 2 so badly, I'll put something in my fidget cube.
All right, I'll take it. Oh, the Rubik's Cube, my nemesis. Okay. Ah, you know I want Norwal. Nah. All right, I'll take it.
And remember, this is my trade. There you go. Hey, give me mine. Give me my thing.
Oopsies.
Okay, so.
Okay, let me clean up my winnings here.
Me too. I have so much stuff.
All right.
Didn't I trade you this?
One clear
I traded you that.
glass putty and 2 donuts. Going once,
Me.
going
Me.
twice.
Me.
Okay.
I'll trade you my pink mochi. This. Do you want a green slime?
Yep.
Okay. My green donut slime. My pink donut slime, which I love a lot. I really like this slime.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna look and see what colors are in here. Can I do it when I? Oh, okay. Purple with stars. And
Put this back together.
can I get it apart? Blue. I was not expecting blue in there. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. What do you got for me?
I'm trying to close this back up, but I'm trading this pink one and this green one. My mochi and yeah, can you help me close that back up? This, but you have to give me one more thing. And I want a mochi.
Do I have the other mochi in here?
You have another mochi in there.
Is it in here?
Should be. And I want another mochi because I'm giving you my favorite mochi.
Almost got it. Alright, octopus mochi for Norwal, but you don't get the empty tub.
I want the empty tub.
Ah, alright. No, these are my things.
Hi, octopus.
Alright, well, we've
That'll
done
be all.
enough trading for
That's
today.
enough trading. So I'll see you guys on next time. And don't forget to hit that like button in the face. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Can't forget to subscribe or you'll miss every video I make. And I heard that most of you aren't subscribed. Is that crazy, Mom?
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Isn't that crazy, Buster? Isn't that crazy, Patch?
Buster, what do you think? Should they subscribe?
Yes. And that's crazy how most of you guys aren't subscribed.
So, smash that like button like the puppy would do.
Even Patch is smacking Buster like he's the subscribe button. So you definitely hit that like button in the face. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And you'll never miss another video if you do subscribe. And goodbye.